Chamomile tea. Friends, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Today we are going to talk about chamomile tea health benefits. So let's get started. So chamomile tea has lots of health benefit, which is like first is like it helps you to lose your weight because it improves your digestion. Secondly, it is having lots of properties like of it is having lots of antioxidants and high in it is loaded with full amount of good amount of calcium. So it is ultimately going to give you a benefit of if you are having a deficiency of calcium or if your digestion process is slow, it is having lots of antioxidant. Again, it will be boosting up your metabolism rate, increases your digestion process, so ultimately key to weight loss. Then chamomile tea has main important benefit, which is it helps you to reduce your anxiety level or your stress level. Thirdly, it helps you to treat problem called insomnia, which is related to sleep disorder. So if you're having any issues related to your sleep, if you can't calm down yourself, or if your muscles are not relaxed, if you're tired, stressed, and not able to sleep properly at night, you should have chamomile tea before going to bed. So it is basically a bedtime drink. So have that chamomile tea every night before going to bed to relax yourself, calm down yourself. If you're relaxed, calm down, you will definitely get a good night's sleep. Then later on, other benefits are it is very helpful for your skin as well. It lighten up your skin scars, like if there is any scar on your face, if you got acne quickly, so it will help you to relieve your problem related to acne or scars, and it lighten up your skin as well. So this is having good property. Chamomile teas are having such a good properties that it will help your skin, and if your skin is looking good and young, then you look more confident and perfect. So this is related to chamomile. These are the benefits which are related to chamomile tea. I will also tell there are few other benefits related to the, chamomile tea, which is sometimes when we feel bloated, any gastric, our stomach is upset, then also chamomile tea helps you. Chamomile tea helps you if you are feeling bloated, if your body is having, if you got water retention, so it helps you to get rid of that excess water. So ultimately a lifesaver, because if your stomach is troubling you, it's upset, so you feel uncomfortable whole time. If you're bloated, you are uncomfortable, so it relieves those problem of any abdomen pain, any bloatedness if you're feeling, or if there is any also if it's there is any problem related to your menstrual cramps. So if you are having any period pain, it will also helps you to give you a relief on that pain as well. So it is really a very good drink. You can you can add up in your lifestyle. In today's scenario, everyone works so hard. Life has changed. We always sit 8 to 10 hours in front of laptop whole time, and it is stressful when we do lots of talking, when we do lots of video conferencing whole day. So add chamomile tea into your day-to-day life so that you can relax yourself, have a good sound night and night sleep. If you are having minimum of 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night properly, your brain functions, also your body works well, your brain works well. If you're not getting enough sleep, your body doesn't work properly, your brain function doesn't work properly, so how can you work and earn? So it's better to relax yourself, and this should be your this should be in your routine, that you should have a good night's sleep in your every night, because it is related to your health. If you're thinking that you lose weight, if you're following my tips and tricks, you are following everything correctly, but you are not unable to sleep properly at night, you're not going to lose weight. So sorry, if you want to lose weight, if you want to look young, if you want your brain function should work properly, so should sleep on time, should have sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours. And if you are having any issue related to sleep disorder like insomnia or any anxiety issue, depression issue, you're uncomfortable, any digestion issue, just have that chamomile tea into your daily routine. Also it increases your immunity as well, and it is a multi-purpose drink: weight loss, skin care, digestion, and it is full of, as I told you, full of calcium, and it is loaded with lots of antioxidants as well. So see, these are the good benefit, and I don't know whether you know it or not, but I shared with you so that you can also avail those benefits, because I am taking this wonderful tea in my routine, because it just makes me relax and I feel good when I have it. And ultimately I also want to, maintain my weight, lose my weight, and just want to keep going. So these are the benefit, but we need to take certain precaution related to chamomile tea. If we are allergic to any allergic to any products related to chamomile tea, we shouldn't have chamomile tea. If you are not sure, just check with your doctor before, if you're adding or including any of the spice, any of the tea, or anything related to your food or diet, something new into your diet, just check with your doctor before taking it, because sometimes when you have any allergies, or if you are not sure, then it can cause you some side effects. But there is there is not any main side effects, but it's just like if you have certain allergies, just should consult with your doctor. If you're not too sure, just check it before you start taking it. And also just make sure infants can't take chamomile tea, so it is not advisable to give chamomile tea to infants. So no chamomile tea, no to infants here. Also, if you like my video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you press the bell icon, then you will get the notification when I will be posting my next video. I will be coming up with more health tips, beauty tips, weight loss tips, and yes, of course, my twisted recipes I will be sharing you soon. For that I need to do some I have to plan the recipes. It will take bit time, but I will be coming up with good, healthy, quick recipe soon. But till then I will be posting my videos related to health, related to weight loss, related to beauty tips. Hope you are liking my videos, and thank you so much, very much, for your ongoing support, your like, comments, your subscription. You are not means a lot. It is giving me a boost, motivation for me. I am just doing this for you because I really want that everyone should learn how to live healthy lifestyle. I'm enjoying my healthy lifestyle past now 5 years, and so happy with the tips and tricks I'm using for myself and my family, and we are all taking advantage of it. But I'm happy to share, because sharing is caring. See you later. Stay tuned. God bless you all. Bye. Chamomile tea